Yes, I did.
You did.
Yes, I did. Do you think you have too much stuff, maybe?
Yeah, a lot of clutter.
A lot of stuff. So we're going to purge, and here I have 2 containers. Can you tell the difference between these 2 containers?
Yeah, big and little.
Okay, because this is the one of things that we're going to sell. We need to get rid of more than we keep, okay?
Yeah.
I know that you will be able to handle all of this.
Absolutely.
And I know that you will be able to sell what
half of
she
everything,
can't handle.
really. Well, that's
least,
ambitious.
at
I wish you luck with that.
Wow. This is your office space, huh? Mm-hmm. And where do you work? You have, what, 5 inches
Right
of
here.
space here? So you just piling stuff on top of things,
I just
right?
move it to the side.
Okay, I think what, we've got a couple things going on here. You have too much happening in this corner. You have too many supplies on here. We just want to keep the things that you're using every single day, which should be very, very little, right? The rest of it can go in drawers. See, there's barely, you have your phone in a drawer, right?
What do you do?
Your phone is in a drawer instead of being on the desk because there isn't enough room. We've got food, food, perfume on,
You never know.
on the desk, some of the kids' toys, the tape measure.
Hey, Tanya.
Hi, Nisi.
Girl, I'm trying to help you get it all done.
Let me grab that.
Wow.
Isn't this amazing?
So this is the magic.
This, I can't believe this is the same closet. When I first saw it, I thought it was so small. But it's really very, very big.
Well, you stretched it out.
Yes.
Okay, so now this side is Chloe's things. This whole side
This
belongs
whole
to her?
thing is for Chloe.
Wow, and
Yep.
on this side, this is Brandon.
This is Brandon's side. And then the middle here is going to be their whole arts and crafts and toys kind of area.
Wow, look at that.
And look at this. It just pulls right on out. All her stuffed animals go in there.
Well, all right, girl, high five on it.
Thank you. I want to redo her closet. There's a lot of shoes that are mismatched everywhere. Going to get shoe racks for in there. Keep all her shoes together. Actually put some clothes in the drawers here because she has a lot of dog clothes in there instead of her own clothes.
Oh, the dog clothes are in there, and her clothes are on the floor.
Exactly. We're almost done. Just a couple more.
Bye.
Oh, you're doing excellent. What about this one?
Keep. I got it for Easter.
Are you sure?
Yeah, mine.
All right. Well, very good. You got rid of 2 boxes. We have 2 containers to go and 1 to keep. Very good.
Look at this area over here. Cute, cute.
This is pretty much doll central. Got all their clothes, their shoes, accessories, and all the dolls all together.
What is your secret for getting children to give it all away?
I make them swear that they love it, must have it, and I kind of make it fun and silly. So, do you really like this doll? I kind of, I like to play around with them a little bit to show them that they really don't need to keep it as much as they're keeping.
Erin and Tony Dragon's spread is a portrait of sheer horror.
The reason that we sort it into piles like this is because it's important for you to see how many of the same thing you have. You have a lot of jeans, right?
Yeah.
How many pairs do you think you really need?
I don't know.
I'll tell you if you don't want to tell me.
Okay, you tell me.
I would say 7.
7?
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that.
All right. Let's narrow it down.
Is this all you have of Erin's things in this room?
Yep, that's all that's left.
Wow, and is all this from the stuff that was wrapped around the ceiling?
Wrapped around the ceiling, on the shelves, mixed in with the clothes in the closet. It was everywhere.
So this is just all you're allowing her to keep?
Yes.
Okay. Is this piece where I see you stacking stuff, is this where you spent your $140?
No, Mark got this. So I lucked out. Now it's great for storage. Actually, I only spent $90. I asked for $140, I only spent $90.
On what?
Well, I got the shelves for the closet, and then I got these little organizers for her drawers, because the drawers are big and a lot of little things that keeps it all nice and organized.
So $90.
That's right.
Boom, in and out.
Under budget.
Of course, nothing has ever worked my last nerve like Judge Dragon flying off with one of her stringy old lambs.
Hey, where you going with that? Come back here.
No. I know she loved the organization, but you did your best. I mean, you sewed, you decorated, you did your thing, and I'm proud of you. I'm gonna love on y'all a little bit over dinner. How about that?
On you?
All on me.
right.
Because I feel like you've been through enough.
How about dinner and drinks?
Lots of drinks.
A tall one?
Okay. It's Clean House, the musical.
Oops, she did it again. She cluttered her room up.